In a world full of noise, confusion, and inner restlessness, the words of one thinker continue to echo across centuries. Today, we explore 25 deep life lessons inspired by Blaise Pascal, a man who understood the human heart far before modern psychology. 1. Learn to be alone without feeling lonely. Pascal wrote that most of humanity's troubles come from our inability to sit quietly in a room. When you learn to be at peace with yourself, the world loses its power to disturb you. 2. Your mind creates more suffering than reality. We fear possibilities, not events. We replay past mistakes, not present facts. Most anxiety is imagination misused. 3. The heart sees truths the mind cannot. Pascal believed that reason has limits. Some decisions must be felt, not calculated. Trust the quiet voice inside. It often knows before you do. 4. Distraction is the modern form of escape. People run toward entertainment because they are running away from themselves. But no amount of noise can silence an unresolved mind. 5. Accept your contradictions. We are mixtures of strength and weakness, wisdom and foolishness. Accepting this makes you more compassionate, both with others and with yourself. 6. Don't chase what disappears. Fame fades, wealth shifts, beauty changes. Seek meaning over applause. Seek depth over decoration. 7. Life will always contain uncertainty. Accept that. The more we demand control, the tighter anxiety grips us. Peace comes not from certainty, but from trust. 8. People hide storms behind calm faces. Pascal reminds us that every person is fighting a battle you cannot see. Be gentle. When you speak, be soft where the world is harsh. 9. Humility is the start of real wisdom. Those who think they know everything rarely learn anything. Admitting you might be wrong opens the door to growth. 10. Ego is the root of most conflict. We argue to protect pride, not truth. Let your need to understand be greater than your need to win. 11. Inner emptiness cannot be filled from the outside. You can change your job, your home, your appearance. But if the heart is restless, the world cannot soothe it. Peace grows from within, not from possessions. 12. Noise hides the truth. Silence reveals it. Sit with your thoughts. Let your mind speak. What you avoid hearing is often what you most need to understand. 13. Reason guides us but cannot complete us. Pascal knew logic alone cannot answer life's biggest questions. Meaning is found not only in thinking, but in feeling, believing, and experiencing. 14. Anxiety grows when the mind lives in the future. Return to the present right here, right now. This moment is manageable. Tomorrow is imagined. 15. Strength is revealed through calmness. Anyone can lose their temper. Few can stay centered in the middle of chaos. Calmness is quiet power. 16. Fear gains power through avoidance. What you avoid controls you. What you face loses its hold. Turn toward the things that frighten you with courage, not panic. 17. Seeking approval is a trap. Pascal warned that people's opinions change faster than the weather. Build your life on values, not validation. 18. Pain teaches lessons comfort never could. Struggle breaks illusions. Suffering sharpens understanding. Your darkest moments often create your strongest self. 19. Don't trust every thought your mind creates. The mind lies when it's tired, anxious, or afraid. Challenge your thoughts the way you challenge rumors. 20. Kindness matters more than correctness. Being right means little if you lose compassion. Humanity is more important than victory. 21. A restless heart is a heart without purpose. Pascal believed people feel empty when they lose sight of meaning. Ask yourself, what truly matters? The answer becomes your path. 22. You see the world through the filter of your inner state. A troubled mind sees problems everywhere. A peaceful mind sees possibilities. Change within and you'll see life differently. 23. Overthinking steals life one moment at a time. We drown in analysis when we should be living. Be aware, but don't obsess. Think, but don't spiral. 24. Hope is quiet but powerful. It whispers, try again. Move forward. Believe. Hope is the small flame that survives even after the storm. 25. The deepest peace comes when you accept your human limits. You are not meant to know everything. You are not meant to control everything. Surrendering to life brings a calm no achievement can give. These lessons from Blaise Pascal remind us of a truth we often forget. The real battle is inside us. And the real peace is too. If you found wisdom in these reflections, let them guide your days and shape the quiet moments of your life. This is Echoes of Wisdom, where thoughts meet the soul. If you found meaning in Pascal's words, subscribe for more lessons from the greatest minds in history.